Abduction is a 1998 Bluetooth door Dodge Neon bearing the following Iowa license plate number CEC862. The destination of the vehicle is unknown at this time. The suspected abductor is Jamie Patrick Pankow, white male, 16 years of age, 5 feet 10 inches tall, 145 pounds, with black hair and blue eyes. He has scars on his right arm, and his left knee wearing a t-shirt, jeans, and black back and a shoes. The abductor should be considered dangerous. For information concerning the abduction of this child, dial 911. Attention media. For complete information regarding this Amber Alert, please visit the AmberAlert.org website. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Des Moines and surrounding locations. Rest of today, partly sunny. Isolated thunderstorms late in the afternoon. High in the lower 80s. South winds around 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 25 miles an hour. Chance of thunderstorms 20%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with scattered thunderstorms. Low in the mid-60s. South wind 10 to 15 miles an hour.